Are you still wondering how you can get these smooth slow-mo transitions in your edits? Well, buckle up because you're gonna know exactly how to make them after watching this video. Let's get into it. First, you must always get a good quality clip, otherwise your edit won't be good. I always prefer my clips to have 60 frames per second before editing because it's more smoother when you slow it down. Most synth tracks or movies have a frame rate of around 23.976. You can still work with that, but in some frames you will get this weird frame distortion.
Who's that Pokemon?
To avoid this, you can turn frame blending off around a specific area, but to me it is a hassle to do that every time I find such area, so I prefer to upscale the frame rate to 60 before editing. You can do this by using Topaz AI or VideoProc Converter. Tutorial for them will be linked in the description. Now, after you've arranged all your clips according to the beats of your music, turn on frame blending and motion blur, and pre-compose each layer by pressing Ctrl-Shift-C. Search for Twixtor and apply any one of these to your clip and copy my settings. Now this part is important. Put the input frame rate exactly similar with the original clip. If you don't know the frame rate of your clip, you can find it by going to Project and it will be listed here. Now at the first frame, add a keyframe for speed and change the value to 150. Press U to view the keyframes. Go around 1/4 of the length of the clip and change the value to 45. Then go around here and change the value to 55. Then at the last frame, change it to 140. Select the two middle keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Now go to Graph Editor and copy my graph. Now select Twixtor Pro and copy it by pressing Ctrl-C and paste it to every layer by pressing Ctrl-V, and don't forget to adjust it according to the length of your clip. In certain cases, you may come across some clips where the actual FPS is not similar to the details of the clip. Here it says 23.976, but still it's very choppy even after adding Twixtor. You can fix that by lowering the input frame rate at around 10 to 15 FPS, but don't go too low because it'll look more weird. Don't forget to add zooms for smooth and seamless transitions. Tutorial for that will also be linked in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. Comment down below if you have any further questions. See you soon.